All right, today we're going to be going over the AMP NetConnect amp tool for cat6 terminations modular. We have here the lacing tool for the actual tool itself for the AMP NetConnect. I like to call it AMP tool just for shorts. You can do A sequence and B sequence. This is the actual crimping tool itself. Here, this little lever can come all the way out. Your lacing fixture with the wires will go in here, just like that. We're gonna do a little demonstration. Take your wire, just a piece of scrap wire, you don't need too much. Strip out your wires. Take out your little wire separator in the middle there. You got your wires all separated here. You got your orange, your blue, your brown, and your green. The sequence we're gonna do is brown on top on the left, green on top on the right, orange on the bottom left, and blue on the bottom right. Now, we'll separate each individual wire. Takes a minute. I'll twist these fucking wires. Now we'll take our handy dandy little lacing tool here, our lacing fixture, split it apart, slip your wires on like so, pull it down, push the top piece to hold your wire in. Now one by one, we'll slip these wires right in there into each individual slot. Like so. Pull these wires back on the sides. This is what we're using, the CommScope blue female jack. It's got your termination sequences inside there. All right, holding your wires down. Slip that baby right in there. You don't need any lube on it today. Put your wire right in there, make sure it fits. Push your handle down. You'll feel it crimp. See, wires start falling. Take your lacing fixture off. And there you have it. Beautifully terminated, expertly terminated in the breeze.